Enamul Khan. You are watching my YouTube channel, and today lesson is about sentence and sentence structure. So today I am explaining what is sentence and what is sentence structure. First of all, I will define what is sentence. Then I will explain sentence structure, and I will explain kinds of sentences according to the structure, according to its function. So function, that is morphology. So morphologically we are dealing with the sentence, and we are dealing with the sentence, kinds of sentence and parts of sentence as well as elements of sentence. So what is sentence? Group of words that expresses thoughts. So sentence will be group of words in which there is a proper expression of thoughts. So sentence is group of words that express some thoughts. So thoughts will be there. For example, we have a sentence. He was performing his duty in the office daily. Now here is a major question which is often within indicate that what are the parts of sentence and what are the elements of sentence. This is a very burning question. Parts of sentence and elements of sentence. So be in mind, be attentive. There are two parts of sentence. Always sentence contains two parts. One is called subject, another is called predicate. So subject part and the rest part of sentence, that is called predicate. So subject, that is an actor, that is the doer of the action. Actor or doer of an action, that is subject. And what is predicate? The part of sentence other than subject is called predicate. The part of sentence other than subject, that is called predicate, from was up to daily. This whole part is called predicate. So always be in mind that sentence contains two parts. One is subject, another is predicate. Within predicate we have four parts. And these four parts, they are called five elements. One is subject and four elements within sentence. So a sentence contains two parts and five elements. Two parts, subject and predicate. And what are those five elements? They are subject, verb, object, complement, adverbials. Complement, adverbials. Subject has been already defined by me, the doer of an action or an actor. And verb is called predicator as well. It is the part of predicate, and it is very important word within predicate. Therefore, it is called predicator. So verb is called predicator. The rest thing is object and complement. Complement is very tricky. I am telling you a very important clue about complement. When there is preposition before noun, we will call it complement, not an object. When there is preposition before a noun, the office, that is noun. Noun may be the subject of a sentence, object of a sentence, complement of a sentence. So when there is preposition before noun, we will call it complement, not an object. And when there is no preposition before noun, we will call it an object. This is the major difference between object and complement. That complement will always be preceded by a preposition, while object has no such like thing. Here is his, that is possessive case of pronoun. So pronoun can come, article can come, and the rest of thing other than pronoun, preposition can't come. When there is preposition before noun, we will call it complement, not an object. And another fifth element, that is adverbials. So daily adverb of time. So adverb can be used, and that is called adverbials. So we have five elements of sentence and two parts of sentence. Two parts of sentence, that is subject and predicate. five elements of sentence, that is subject, number one, verb, number two, object, number third, complement, four, adverbial, fifth. So these are five elements of sentence. Now I am going towards kind of sentences according to its function. So morphologically, or we can say according to the function, we have five kinds of sentences. So these five kinds of sentences are assertive or declarative sentences, assertive or declarative sentences, interrogative sentences, imperative sentences, exclamatory sentences, and optative sentences. So here is this one a burning question, that what are the kinds of sentences according to its function. So be in mind, there are five kinds of sentences according to its function, and these are assertive, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory, and optative sentences. Now I am going towards sentence structure. What are the various kinds of sentences according to the class structure? So kinds of sentences according to the class structure, be in mind, they are four. According to its function, they are five. But according to the class structure, according to the structure, according to the syntax, sentence contains four kinds. And what are they? They are simple sentences, compound sentences, complex sentences, compound and complex sentences. So these are kinds of sentences according to the class structure, and these are five kinds of sentences according to the function. And another lecture, inshallah, I will explain what is the structure, basic structure of kinds of sentences according to its function, and what is the basic structure of those sentences which are kinds of sentences according to the class structure. So I will explain what is simple sentence, what is compound sentence, what is complex sentence, what is compound and complex sentence, and I will tell you about formula, because an MDK test you will detect, sentence will be given to you, and you will detect according to the structure whether the sentence is simple one, whether it is compound sentence, complex or compound and complex sentence. So you will detect it. So another lecture will be very important. Today that was just an introductory lecture about sentence and sentence structure. Thank you very much.